today. Many, many words begin with consonants. Let's listen out for the beginning sounds of different words. This is the letter B. The letter B says B. B. Do these words begin with B? Does the word box start with the letter B? Box. Yes, it does. B, B, box. Does the word bag start with the letter B? Bag. Yes, it does. B, B, bag. Does the word cat start with the letter B? Cat. No, it doesn't. K, k, cat. Does the word bus start with the letter B? Bus. Yes, it does. B, B, bus. Does the word bed start with the letter B? Bed. Yes, it does. B, B, bed. This is the letter H. The letter H says h, h. Do these words begin with h? Does the word hot start with the letter H? Hot. Yes, it does. Hot. Does the word house start with the letter H? House. Yes, it does. House. Does the word run start with the letter H? Run. No, it doesn't. Run. Does the word happy start with the letter H? Happy. Yes, it does. Happy. Does the word horse start with the letter H? Horse. Yes, it does. Horse.